guys, welcome back to my channel. It is currently New Year's Eve. It is 5:26 p.m. I'm gonna get ready. I'm gonna do my makeup. So we ended up just staying home. Family was gonna come over, but they got sick and then plans changed. Life happens. This is not holding on right, so we're pretty much just staying home. I love this little set. How was your guys' 2023? Mine was pretty iffy, but I'm grateful for everything that I've learned this year. 120. I went through heartbreak this year. I got into my first relationship, like actual relationship, this year. I never presented anyone to my dad, so I don't know if I should even count it, you know. 2024, no exes. I had a casi algo this year, and that casi algo hurt more than getting cheated on, if I had to have to say so myself. Always go down to your neck. So pretty much I'm just getting ready for myself and take pictures and for YouTube. I've been breaking out recently. It's been kind of like messing with me, but I know that it'll go away. I'm not gonna let it affect me too much. Okay guys, on my last makeup routine, I never really did anything to my eyebrows, but I've been really loving carving them out because I feel like it gives it a cleaner look. Okay, I just do that, and then I like use this brush to carve it out. I'm so grateful because I've grown so much on social media this year. I hit 50k. I have over 50k on both TikTok and Instagram, and I'm so grateful because who would have thought, like, I don't know, it's crazy to me. I feel like 2023 really made me change as a person a lot, develop a lot. I graduated this year. I can't believe it's been a couple months since I graduated. I feel like it was so long ago. It's crazy because it was only like 6 months ago. That just goes to show how like quick time passes by, and you should be grateful for every moment that you have. Even though that may sound cringy to some people, but it's okay because it's the truth. If I come off cringy to you, I don't care. I really don't. I've also grown so much closer to God this year. Like, I've been actually reading verses of the Bible and try to understand more about it. Everything happens for a reason, and if you don't think so, later on you will know. I think it's very important to live in the moment because you never know when things will end. I also went to Mexico this year. I love going to Mexico, but the weather there is like where I'm from. I'm from Colima in Jalisco. A little bit of Michoacan, but mostly Colima and Jalisco. And Colima is so humid. Like, I love it there, you know, but it's too much. If you were to go to Colima, you would be like, what the heck? I've never been to Texas. I've never been to Disneyland. I want to go to Disneyland just to see what the hype is all about. I really want to start posting on YouTube more, but I just don't know what to post. I like doing like get ready with me videos a lot, but I need a schedule and plan out what I want to talk about beforehand to not go into it and like just without being prepared. This is not the brush that I use. Yes, it's not the brush that I use. I'm gonna throw that brush away. Guys, I feel like it's always the girls that you don't expect to be cheated on that get cheated on. Like, personally, I didn't feel like I was gonna be cheated on, you know? But like, I had a gut feeling too when I did. It's crazy because like the night before I had like a weird dream. Like, I just felt weird. I woke up weird. And, like, how do you wake up weird? Like, I woke up feeling very weird, and then I checked my phone, and then boom, messages, and I'm like, oh shoot. I'm like, oh damn. And sass, they're the ones I end up losing at the end of the day. So if you ever got cheated on, it's their loss. Should I try my new blush? Okay, I'm gonna try my new blush out just for myself and for you guys. Guys, this blush is super pigmented. I don't know how I'm gonna fix this, but I'm gonna find a way to fix this. Put over powder. I'm just gonna put powder over top. I'll be right back when I fix this. I believe I fixed it. This is how I'm gonna use it as. I am gonna put a little bit more blush. Don't think I'm crazy, okay? Because I'm not crazy. I really like how it came out though. It's a process. That's why you should do your liquid blush before your concealer. Well, 2023 was a year to grow. And it's gonna make my 2024 full of abundance because now I know like exactly what I'm gonna tolerate, what I'm not gonna tolerate, what I accept from people, what I don't. I really just want to feel like more like myself and let my actual self shine more, and if people don't like it, they don't like it. And that's that. Because I'm so done of people just thinking they can walk all over me, you know? Like I'm some sort of peluche. I really like this. I've also implemented this. And this stays on a long time. And I don't even put too much. Wow. Oh, my texture. Okay, now what was I gonna do? I was gonna, oh yeah, my eyebrows. Okay, my eyebrows. For my eyebrows, I'm just gonna use the NYX glue just to hold them in place. Like so. And that is my makeup for the new year. I've also been really liking like the hair to the side when it's curly. I don't know if that's just me, if it looks better or if it's just something different. And I'm liking it because it's different. Let's see. Yeah, this is the final makeup look, the hair look for New Year's Eve. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope 2024 treats you guys all so well, has so many blessings, and that you guys are abundant. If you guys have any more video suggestions, please let me know. The comments are gonna be open this time. I can't stop staring at myself. Okay, that's how in love I'm gonna be with myself in 2024, because I already am. So watch out, because I'm not gonna let myself be treated the same way I was treated this year. Okay? Alright. Well, bye.